There are many facets of DevOps, and they are kind of distributed among development and operation teams because primarily they are two types of team, development team and operation team. So this team will be working together and working independently. So working in silos or working together. And of course, with DevOps, they will be working together. So when we are talking about working together, the facets which are written here will not be able to classify that what is primarily dev has or what is primarily ops has. However, all these facets are the areas which will definitely utilized influence the overall DevOps cycle, right? Or DevOps culture. So let's consider ITSM project management and Agile project management. So primarily, ITSM project management is referring to any project or any operation area. There'll be some sort of a project management cycle to be utilized. However, when there is a ops heavy part come into the picture, that's where IT service management will be influencing. So there'll be a, consider the incident management where you have the service desk, they identify the issue via the user, they try to, submit the issue, create the incident or create the issue. And after that, they do a prioritize, categorize, and on top of it, they try to diagnosis. I mean, the ticket will be assigned, it will be diagnostic and then resolve and then close the issue. So this is a cycle which is predominantly used in ITSM. However, in the Agile project management, so where we are talking about development, team will be mostly playing the role. There is a feature change or there is any bigger change which is required. So project management cycle will come into the picture. So in that requirement development, the design, coding, testing, and the deployment. So in this, they will be using an Agile. In that, they will be using a story, user story kind of a format. And that's how. So first, the story has to be really identified by the user. That has to be coming into particular sprint. That will be design, develop, test by the user, get a UAT sign off or acceptance test. And on certain day or a certain sprint's final day, it will be deployed. And however, between there'll be a walkthrough and retrospective will also going to happen. So we are talking about, these are the two facets of ITSM and Agile. However, when we talk about the lean and visual management waste, in this, primarily, as we know that lean concept has came into the manufacturing industry. So in this, there are activities which are supposed to be done in dev and ops area. So how do you show the progress? Where are we? Let's say I want to share some monitoring progress, or I want to show that, what are the activities which I have planned, what are the activities which are in progress, and which are the activities got closed. So how do you show this board or a visual management? So on the piece of paper or on the monitor, on the screen via dashboard or on the wall.